How to fix Fox News app not working. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix Fox News app not working. For this, you want to open the settings on your device. Now scroll down and tap on the apps option. From here, you want to scroll down and find the Fox News app. Once you have found it, tap on that. Now, you want to scroll down and tap on the storage option. Here, tap on the clear cache option. Once the cache has been cleared, tap on the clear data option. Now, before you do this, remember that all of your application's data will be deleted permanently. If you want that, tap on the delete option. After this, you want to open the Fox app on your device and check if your problem has been resolved. If it is still not resolved, open up Play Store or App Store, then search for the Fox News app. Here, if you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. After you have updated the application, any bugs or glitches will be fixed. Now, if your problem has still not been fixed, then you want to simply uninstall the application. Tap on the uninstall button. Once it has been uninstalled, you simply want to reinstall the application again. After that, open the application and check. And in this way, you can fix the Fox app not working issue. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.